Andariki Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. In this video, we are going to see quickly two super recipes in this rainy season. Oh, yeah, I am in Chennai and it's raining every other day. The climate is so chill. So, how about making a super bhaji, an Andhra style bhaji? And I'm going to also show a quick instant 2 minutes kara chutney. So, do check out. So for making the stuffed Andhra style bhaji, all we want is this puffed rice. So everyone have celebrated this Ayudha Puja. Definitely everyone's home will have this puffed rice, puri. And so we will make use of this to make the stuffing for the bhaji. So I have taken 2 cups of this puffed rice and then wash it nicely in water and soak it for some 3 minutes, that is enough, and then just squeeze all the water and transfer it to a separate bowl. To this puffed rice, I have added 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and then salt as per required. So mix this nicely, and then at the last, take 1 half-sized lemon and then squeeze nicely to this mixture and mix everything nicely. So the mixture is ready. Now let's go and make some bhaji. So everyone wants a perfect crispy bhaji. So here is the correct proposition that you have to use for getting a super crispy bhaji and a super tasty bhaji. So take 1 cup of gram flour. To this you have to add 1/3 cup. So the mixture is ready. Now let's go and this is the mixture, main mixture. To this we are going to add chili powder and then turmeric for the color, and then asafoetida and then salt. So in a bowl, add the gram flour, rice flour, and then half a teaspoon of turmeric, almost 2 teaspoonful of chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of perungayam, that is asafoetida, and then finally add some salt as per your taste. Mix everything nicely, and after mixing, let's start pouring water. Pour water little by little, because if it goes too watery, then the bhaji is going to absorb a lot of oil. So add 1 cup of water, mix everything well. For this mixture, I had like 1 cup and little more water. So the veggies are already cut. I am making raw plantain and then potato bhaji this time. So just immerse as you see in the video, just immerse and then put it in the hot oil, and then as usual you make all the bhajis first. The bhaji is ready, the stuffing is ready. Now let's make the stuffed bhaji. So I'm just keeping a sample of 3. 1 is potato and 2 is like varaka bhaji. So cut them in the middle slightly so that you will have one opening. Take the stuffing and put it inside, and then fill the bhaji and then serve it hot. It was super yummy, super crispy, and for this rainy season that was like mouth watering. Even when I'm making this video right now, it's like I want once more. So do give it a try and let me know if this really worked out for you as well. So for this bhaji, let's make a chutney. This chutney I have shown a little thicker version, so you can add some more water to make it a little watery so that it goes well with the stuffed bhaji which we did. So for this, For this chutney, you don't have to do any fryings. It's an instant chutney. So all you have to do is directly take the mixie jar, roughly chop into 4 pieces the onion. I have taken 2 medium sized onions, so I have added that, and then had 3 red chilies, and then 1 piece of coconut, as you can see in this video, that sized coconut, and then 1 cube of jaggery, and then a small pinch of tamarind, and then salt. That's all. So these are the ingredients for this instant chutney. Grind it nicely, add some talimpu and water as per your wish, and then the kara chutney, yummy, tangy, and then sweet, sour, everything. So tasty chutney. And this bhaji, it's a super combination for this rainy season. So do give it a try and let me know how that worked out for you. Meet you again in next video. Until then, bye bye.